Are you tired of jumping between tabs to check your local SEO? Learn how to build a real-time dashboard in under 2 minutes. First, we'll organize your projects into a folder. Then, we'll create a dashboard and add real-time data widgets. Finally, you'll get a shareable link. First, head over to Semrush Folders. Then, click on the Dashboard option. Now, click on the first highlight. Then, click on the second highlight. Next, click on Real-Time Data. Once that's done, click on Copy Link. Finally, click on Find Another Business. That wraps it up. Happy optimizing! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.